right, we're going to continue with our second box. When we complete this box, we will have over 305 colors of Kona cotton. Our first color is Ivy. Our next color, ooh, this is a pretty one. Aruba? Jamaica. Ooh, I want to take you. Amethyst. Starting with some purples.
Ooh, those two go really nice together.
Yeah.
We could pair it with Morning Glory. Maybe not. No more purples. How about some blues? Singing the blues. Blueberry. Somebody back there likes blueberry. Parisian? Prussian blue. Bob Ross. Prussian blue. Astral. This box is upside down. It makes the colors harder to read. Bubble gum.
Ooh.
Candy green.
Those two go good together.
Oh yeah. Ooh, how about we add some
Ooh.
maize?
So that would work.
Look at
The three of
that.
those, very pastel.
What else would go with that?
Well, the
How about this one? This one is waterfall.
it works.
Starting a nice combination there.
Yeah.
We have medium pink
Put that with the purples. Yeah.
with the purples. Ochre.
Put it with the blue.
Blue.
Blue and gold. Looks good.
More of a burgundy. This one is cocoa.
Nice.
We have, ooh, green tea. Not a green tea drinker. Mocha. Put these all with her.
I thought
Who
you were
was?
an admitted tea snob.
I am, but not a green tea snob. Everglade. Have you ever been to the Everglades?
No.
It's fun.
Ooh, evergreen. More trees. Evergreen, Everglade. We also have garnet. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, and haze. I thought it said maize. Haze. One of those
Nice.
light grays again.
Is it a light gray? It has maybe undertones of gray to it,
Undergray. Yeah, it's undertones of gray.
but it still would make a great neutral.
Great background, yes.
Because like if you wanted to have a slate gray background instead of just white or off-white, you
Mhm.
could have something like that.
This would be a great one to use.
Very cool.
All right, so this completes this month's shipment. We will be getting another shipment. Like I said, we have over 300 colors of Kona cotton. Come in today and join us. We have our grand opening from 9 until 6. Hope to see you.